Hello and welcome to another Out of Spec Reviews video. It is a perfect day out here at the Out of Spec track to talk about tires. And some of you know that I'm a big tire enthusiast. I've been following the rapid advancement in tire technology over the last 5 to 7 years especially, and it's just unbelievable what a tire can do now versus even just 10 years ago. And on that note, Hankook has been making some incredible tires specifically engineered for electric and plug-in hybrids. And they're called the Hankook Ion line. There's a bunch of different tires. I'm going to walk you through them in this episode, but I actually installed the Hankook Ion HT onto my electric pickup truck right here. And it's a tire that's engineered to take you farther, and it has a great compromise between rolling resistance, performance, durability, and long life. It's an amazing tire that I'll walk you through, and we'll even go for a drive on in this video. So let me tell you all about my new set of Hankook Ion HTs that I'm now running on my daily driver. So before I tell you a little bit more about the Ion HT in particular, I just want to mention there's a bunch of electric optimized tires in the Hankook Ion line. There's the Hankook Ion Evo, a tire you've heard me mention many times, sort of a high performance summer tire built for those ultra high performance EVs. Think Taycan, e-tron GT, Lucid, stuff like that. And then you can find SUV optimized versions of that tire. So they have the sort of sporty performance tire. Then they have the Hankook Ion Evo AS, which is the all season sporty tire. That's a great option for full-size e-tron, gravity, things like that. And then there's winter and ice specific tires as well, which I have not experienced yet, but I'd love to play around with those. Not that we tend to get too much snow in North Carolina, but that is a cool offering that they have. And then they have this, which as someone who has covered the electric big SUV, think R1S type vehicle, and pickup truck, think F-150 Lightning or Rivian R1T, a tire specifically made for vehicles such as those and such as my R1T right here. It's a really cool offering to have a tire take into all the factors that as an electric pickup truck driver we all look for in a vehicle. So that would be low noise, but more importantly, long life. A lot of us do big miles in our vehicles. Good durability in terms of handling extreme weight, but then also really good rolling resistance. We want to extend our range. And one of the cool things you can do with a vehicle is as the vehicle ages, batteries, of course, will lose capacity over time, a few percent, over time. If you can increase your efficiency by a few percent with new tire technology, you can offset your degradation, which is kind of cool in terms of overall driving range. So tire technology's just come a long way. So this Ion HT I've got here just has so much technology built into it. I have a video on our Out of Spec Bits channel you guys can check out, really going into the 3D siping and the insane, extra beefed up tread pattern and carcass of the tire, and some really cool stuff that's going on with the overall construction. But this is an all-season tire that's built, again, specifically for electric pickups and SUVs. So it comes in a 18, 19, 20, or 21 inch sizing. I'll leave the sizing guide linked below, but for most of these electric vehicles like Lightning and Rivians and others, they have the sizing for those options. Now, one thing I like about this tire, like I mentioned, it's an all-season tire, which means it can handle those cold drops overnight if you need to. But look at this water performance that we're looking at here. Huge grooves to get the rain out of the tire. Big cuts on the tire to evacuate water out as much as possible. If you live in an area with a ton of rain, this is going to be a really good tire with wet performance, which I'm particularly excited about. Now, I'll show you how it looks installed on my truck here. So let's take a look here. This is the OE 22-inch size that I'm running on this particular one. We have another set that we're going to mount on a 20-inch size as well, just to show you the variability. Stay tuned for a future video on that. But it's a nice looking tire. I really like the design of the sidewalls here, very aggressive looking on this particular tire, but also you can tell it's very much a road optimized tire. it can handle some extreme loads and stuff, but this efficiency wise is going to be really good. And I've actually been driving this truck for the last 500, 600, 700 miles using these tires, and my efficiency is very impressive with this set of tires. I was really blown away, actually. So overall, great design tire, great for efficiency, some really cool technology to make it wear evenly, and really it just comes down to the experience behind the wheel. So what do you say we jump in the Rivian, go for a drive, and I'll show you how the Ion HTs perform in straight line performance, as well as handling and just general cruising. Let's go for our first drive on the Hankook Ion HT. Well, it's time to go for a drive on the Ion HTs. Now, this is a tire that kind of needs to do everything. It needs to be comfortable to drive on the daily. Most importantly, it needs to have long life. But electric trucks are also powerful and fun to drive, especially in the case of this one. So it needs to have great longitudinal acceleration and braking performance. So we're going to start with that, and then we'll feel some of the handling characteristics of the tire. Then we'll get it out on the highway and see how it cruises, check the noise, and all of that. So let's just roll into it here and see how it performs. Wow, good traction on the acceleration. This Rivian is not a slow vehicle, and we're well above 70 miles an hour here on the out-of-spec track right there. Straight line braking, let's go 55 miles an hour, and hard brakes. Tons of braking grip, everything just went flying forward. So you would expect that from an all-season tire, but certainly right up there with what we would want to see from a performance side of things. Just to drop the suspension a little bit here, we'll back the stability control off just slightly. That's regen settings, there's stability reduced. Let's just check the steering response and tip in. So we'll come in under braking. Oh, really nice rolling on that tire. Amazing grip. Oh my gosh. I did not expect that much grip. This is my first time really kind of leaning on this tire. Everything's flying around, but whoa, you can absolutely send it. Great response, great overall characteristics when you load up the tire laterally. It's got great steering input. It's got really nice feel. Wow, that's a lot more performance than I would expect from a tire with a warranty as long as this one has. That's really impressive, actually. So, okay, this is the stuff that is nice to have, nice to know. If you need to make an evasive maneuver from a safety perspective, wow, it's really got the performance characteristics I would look for. Keeping in mind, this is just an all-season tire. This isn't like Cup 2R or something crazy. So clearly it has some amazing performance characteristics, factoring in the tread life, factoring in the warranty, factoring in the intended use case of the tire. It's just an all-season road tire. And I think that's what we really should go try out right now, is to jump onto the highway, see how it feels from a comfort perspective, from a noise perspective especially, and because we're talking about mostly electric vehicles, an efficiency perspective as well. So let's jump out of the track. We'll exit here, and we'll head on the highway and go experience it. I've got my listening ears on. I want to hear if I hear any cavity noise or tread shaw or any stuff that would be annoying to a driver. We are merging onto the highway right now, so let's test the highway capability of this tire. Now, to me and in my impression, this is the most important part of this tire, making sure that it's highway capable in terms of noise and durability and, you know, overall range and efficiency. So far, I can tell you from my impressions driving this for the last week or so, I have been blown away. What's crazy to me is the electric motors are louder than the tire on this truck. It's dead silent. There's no high-pitched cavity noise. There's very little tread noise. It's a really nice tire to cruise with. And in terms of efficiency, we'll have to run some specific tests on it, but it's been very efficient. Obviously going with a 22-inch size for this type of application helps a ton, but range and efficiency have been great. Noise has been great. Obviously, it's a little too soon to know how long they're going to last in my use case, but here we are cruising along at 75 miles an hour, and the loudest things here are wind noise, motor noise, and then can't even hear the tires at all. Truly, it's very, very quiet. So shout out to Hankook for making this Ion a very quiet tire, which is a big attribute you want in an electric car. And I think that really sums up just sort of that broad character that this vehicle has. Great wet weather performance, fantastic dry weather acceleration and braking performance, great steering and handling. Really blown away by that when we just took it around the track. And really what you need this tire for is that long distance cruise, and it is really, really good at doing it right here. So shout out to Hankook for making the Ion HT a fantastic offering for electric trucks and SUVs. Well, there you guys have it, the Hankook Ion HT, a tire that's specifically made for electric pickup trucks and SUVs. In this episode, I hope you've learned all of the sizing options, some of the cool features about it, such as the beautiful tread, sidewall tread design, as well as the long-lasting performance and very quiet on-road characteristics. It's a really cool tire that really performs super well in many categories, especially across all of the seasons. It's a very, very nice offering, and I'm so thrilled to be able to run them on my R1T right here. So a big shout out to Hankook for sponsoring this video, and a big shout out to you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about this tire, head to the link in the description below, where you can learn more about the Ion HT, other Hankook Ion tires, and of course, make a purchase. Thanks so much for watching. See you in another one again soon. Bye-bye.